Thursday, it's 2:24 in the afternoon, Philippine time zone. Dear friends, English po muna tayo. This is a presentation concerning the permanent disposal, elimination of mountains of non-biodegradable waste matter to clean the surface of the earth through the process called pulverizer. This is a process which involves the use of liquid nitrogen to be poured over all kinds of non-biodegradable materials which will be frozen. When this happens, the frozen materials, whatever they are, will be crushed. They will crumble through a process of pounding, crushing using weights, and when they are crushed into pieces, they can further be placed into the ordinary grinder, the cement mixer. Here they will be further crushed. When they are already crushed through the cement mixer, they will again, this crushed material will pass through again several grinding machines, such as those used to grind corn, rice, and other hard materials. Their products will be powdered instead of solid. These materials can be analyzed whether good as organic fertilizer. Initially, these powdered, pulverized materials can be made part of the natural soil as subsoil and can be compacted to increase the amount of natural soil. When test result will reveal that it has components that will produce plants and other vegetation, the better for us human beings. Mga mahal na kaibigan, ang konsepto pong ito ay matagal nang ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos upang mabawasan at hanggang tuluyan, lubusang wala na pong basura na nagiging gabundok. Kahit ano pong bilis ng pagdami ng basura gawa ng tao, abuso sa kanilang mga ugali, mas mabilis po ng ikatatlo, ikalimang beses itong pulverizer. Ang liquid nitrogen ay na gagawa ng tao, available po yun. At kapag pumasok dito ang programa ng gobyerno sa bagong Pilipinas, hindi po problema kung saan kukuha ng liquid nitrogen. Ang mahalaga po ang prinsipyo ng konseptong ito. Kaya naman po nasa ibaba ang address ko, contact point. Ito po si Kuya Nonoy, Michael Don Art, Ubiquitous Crescendo. Niluluwalhati at binibigay ang glory sa Diyos, Creator of everything. Amen.